Hey, this is Pierre Dulaco talking. Generative AI is not only useful because, it summarizes things, it can be creative, it can create images, but also because it can help you to do heavy work and cross work. I mean, by that, yeah, you need to do several things and like, for example, in my case, I'm trying to find a DMV place that is responsive. And if I need to do that, I need to look for DMV places. I need to find if there's something that tells me what DMV office is responsive. I need to find out if they're close to me or not. I need to cross all this data to figure out what's the best DMV office I should go to because I need to renew my license, for example, or whatever it is. And it applies to DMV in my use case, but it can apply to a lot of business things as long as information is available somewhere. And sometimes it's not, sometimes it is. So if I want I'm an investor and I want to find, what lands are available to build new buildings, I might be able to track that and I might be able to say in a radius of so many miles. So let's try that. Um, I don't know. Should we try it with Copilot or with Bing Chat? So I'll try it first with Copilot. So I'm gonna turn on Copilot and I'm gonna ask my question. What I want to make is the output is a table. Make a table with DMV offices uh, ranked by responsiveness. I don't know if you say that in uh, mile radius of 30 miles around, and I'm gonna give a personal information. That's why I'm using Copilot or Bing Chat for Enterprise because I don't want it to share it with OpenAI with around, let's say, uh, I'm gonna give a name of a street I know, and I'm gonna say column, first column is the address. I'll try several things. Second column, and if it doesn't work, you can fine tune your chat. It's a conversation. Second column is the time it takes to go there. Third column is the rank. So I don't know if there's any rank of DMV responsiveness. I know that you probably can find the distance between the address and the because Google is providing that. So I guess it's possible that it can find that. Um and maybe I'll find other IDs, and I will see what what comes out of this. So unfortunately, I can not enlarge this uh, Copilot. So apparently, there's a table that is coming. It seems to work. So I can see that where the information was leveraged. So maybe I should do some fast checking because with generative AI, you always need to do some fact checking. What's interesting is also it brings back a map with the different, at least the first two. DMV. I guess the first one, Maynard, and yeah. So it's pretty powerful. And imagine if you do that with an itinerary, you want to go, you're gonna want to do a tour in Asia or a tour in North America, wherever it is, and you want to organize your trip and find, depending on several factors like the weather, whatever, you can enter that as long as you can prompt it and you can build that and have some results, structured result, and you can copy this result and do whatever you want with it. So I don't know if I want it's gonna show. Let's try to put in a deck, for example. Let's create a new slide and paste it here. I don't know if it's gonna paste well. Let's see. Yeah. So now I have a a good table here, and if I had to look at all this address and check the mile distance or how much time it takes and check the rank for responsiveness, that will have taken a lot of time. It's probably few few minutes for sure, few maybe few hours. So that's the I wanted to share with that with you because it applies the generative AI applies to business needs or personal needs or it's more what I wanted to show. It applies to cross-referencing different sources of data and merging all of them in a result that is understandable by a user and in a matter of seconds. So hope this was insightful and please use either Copilot. If you have access to the preview or Bing Chat for Enterprise, you can have the same result in Big Chat for Enterprise. Hope this was insightful.